Welcome to the 2020 Lexus GX 460. This beautiful SUV is powered by a 4.6-liter V8 engine and made it up to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the Lexus here, memory seating, power locks and mirrors as well, full automatic high beams, heated steering wheel, fog lights there. Vehicle has the leather-wrapped steering wheel. We have cruise control as well as lane keep assist and forward collision there. Vehicle has 27,417 kilometers on the odometer. We have a nice large navigation screen as well as audio and climate. You do have your dual zone climate control, heated and ventilated seating, automatic shifter. You have your suspension for raising up and down with the air suspension, as well as your different modes, your four-wheel drive system, all black interior here as well. We do have the Mark and Evanston sound system in the vehicle as well. Beautiful, luxurious, leather heated and ventilated seats in the front of the Lexus GX 460. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Lexus, we have the 19-inch wheel and tire package, beautiful alloy wheels with the Continental winter tires on there, chrome accenting door handles, body molded and color matched sidebars there, step-up bars. Coming to the front of the Lexus, you have the 3M wrapped with the signature boomerang LED daytime running lamp. You have fog lights, parking sensors, beautiful redesigned grille there as well, and a camera system up front. Making way to the back, rear tinted privacy windows. At the rear of the Lexus, LED brake lights as well as parking sensors, single exit exhaust system, and you have your GX 460 badging on your power tailgate. Jumping into the interior, our second row is a 60/40 leather bench. Both end seats here are heated as well as car seat ready. Seats do fold down in a nice 60/40 configuration, giving you access to your third row, which is 50/50 split, folded down back there as well, giving you that extra large trunk space. Seats fold up and lock back into position. Over top, black headliner and a single pane sunroof, as well as in the back here we have our rear entertainment system mounted to the back of the seats. We have our rear climate control, heated seat controls, and there is USB ports down in the bottom. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the Lexus GX 460. For any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.